2010 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, compass, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.